Okay, so now in this video we're going to start working on the next part where we want to keep track of the collectible. By default we should probably be here. So I'm in the top level of our content folder. What I want to do is to place the counter for the coins in a place that it's going to exist all the time, and that's going to be easy here inside of the character because as long as the character exists we can collect coins. So I'm going to go to side scroller BP, so blueprints, and then I'm going to go into blueprints. We have the side scroller character, so if we do double click on there we can see that we have everything for the character here. Now what I want to do is on actor overlap, event, there we go. So event actor begin overlap. What actor do we want to overlap? We have the coins, cast the coins, we can do that. And then I have my variable. Let me delete it, I was doing a test here. But basically we need to create a variable. I'm going to call it coins, and then we can set it to an integer. So what we want to do is basically take the coins value. We want to set it here. Let's compile. That way it's set to 0 by default. So when it overlaps with the coin, we want to set a value, and we want to add 1 to it. So we're going to say integer plus integer, and we want to get whatever the coins are and add 1 to it. And then just so that we can see what's going on, let's do a print string, and we're going to print whatever the coins are there. So let's compile this, close out, and let's test this now. So as we go through, we should in the top left hand corner see the numbers increase as we collect a new coin. So that gives us the ability to add more coins to our inventory, or however much, or whatever we're going to do with it. Right now we're just storing it as a value, but we can keep it together that way. Alright, so that's how we increment the coins inside of our game. That's it for this video. We'll look at adding more to this to make it more better, to make it a better collectible system in the next video.